Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic air filter. First, gather your essential tools, which include a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Changing your air filter is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your car's engine performance and even its fuel efficiency. It's a quick job that anyone can do at home with minimal effort. Next, locate the air filter housing. In most Honda Civic models, this is a large, black plastic box situated on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips holding the housing cover in place, or sometimes a few screws. Unclip these or unscrew them, then gently lift the cover. Now, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter from its compartment. Notice how much debris it has collected. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated inside the air filter housing. A clean housing ensures optimal airflow. Now, carefully place your brand new air filter into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and evenly without any gaps around the edges. Some filters have an arrow indicating airflow direction. Ensure it points towards the engine for proper installation. Finally, replace the air filter housing cover, making sure all the clips are securely fastened or all the screws are tightened. Give the housing a gentle shake to ensure it's firmly in place. Once everything is buttoned up, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two to confirm that everything sounds normal and there are no unusual noises. You've successfully changed your air filter. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.